My crib, zero Snapchat, zero Instagram, bro.
Smiley Boomsy here, happy Boomsy here. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to Boomsy's Sport. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Boma and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. Yes, and do well to click the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. But welcome to a brand new vlog. You guys, in my previous video I was telling you guys that from the coming weeks it's not going to be gloomy Boomsy anymore. I'm going to be smiley Boomsy, bubbling Boomsy, you know, happening Boomsy, streets Boomsy, Boomsy with her man. Because me and my man, we're gonna be painting the streets red for our 5 years anniversary. But you guys, jokes apart, right? I'm on my way to go and pick grandma from the airport. Myself and my husband, we're on our way to go and get my mom from the airport. I told you guys that help was coming my way. Yes, I was drained, and you know, grandma would not want to miss Kaima's birthday for anything. She has been saying it since. She will not want to. She's been there. You guys know the story. But if you don't know, you guys, my mom was there with me. In fact, she has always been there with me through my pregnancy and, you know, delivery journey. The long hours flight, the everything. In fact, inside the delivery room, she's the one that actually cut Kaima's umbilical cord. So just reminiscing everything we had. And I was like, Mommy, you know what, don't stress yourself, because it's not like I'm doing what they call it, like we're doing one very elaborate something and whatnot. We're actually marking that day. Yes, we're going to make it really colorful, really beautiful. You know, she's going to really have an exciting time. I mean, Kaima. And I was telling my husband, I said, this Kaima that likes to dance, she will not just, in as much as, you know, we're just trying to keep it small and no, she will not just get DJ that will come and play songs for her to just really sit down and just really stand and just dance, because Kaima loves music. She loves to dance. So yeah, we're on our way to go and get grandma from the airport. I'm so happy, I cannot even lie, honestly. And I'm sure you guys will be saying that, Boomsy, when you say help is coming your way, don't you already have help? Sorry, we're entering potholes and that's why the car is shaking. Don't you already have help? I do, but you guys, a mother's touch is different. Honestly, a mother's touch is different. Me, I'm that person that I know I have help, but I still want to do things. I still want to do things. I still want to cook. I still want to be around my children. I still want to do things. But yeah, you guys, I'm super excited. We're on our way to the airport, so let's go and pick grandma together. And I trust you guys will enjoy this vlog, and I trust you guys will enjoy the coming vlogs with grandma as well, and all her cooking and everything. I trust you guys will enjoy it. So yeah, let's head to the airport.
Mommy.
My own son.
Good morning.
Morning, get one.
Thanks.
Very serious.
We are back home. Yes, we fixed grandma. We are back home and we are about to enter what is inside this Ghana must go. I'm sure you guys can see this Ghana must go. This Ghana must go. Hey, the thing has a lot of goodies inside, so we're about to even start unboxing like a lot of things that grandma brought. So grandma had already sent her box of like clothes. That's why I didn't really see her with so much things at the airport. I already sent her clothes, but what she majorly, you know, flew with was food stuff. A lot of frozen ones as well, a lot of dried ones, and yeah, we just want to just get into unboxing. The children have seen her. In fact, when grandma was entering inside was when mommy, in fact, as she heard her voice from the door, she woke up. You know, she woke up and grandma was the one that took her out from the cot and held her. Oh yeah, now leave her body now. They wanted to just say, okay, let her feed her. Mommy did not agree. So grandma is inside the room now. They are feeding what they call it mommy girl together. But I'm waiting for her to come so we can just unbox what is inside this Ghana must go, and I'll show you guys the things that she brought. Yes, a lot of goodies. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Birthday to you. Oh my god, you guys, look at what grandma did for me. So this is my baby picture.
That's of my heart.
Ah, this is so beautiful. Look at me. Oh my god, you guys, this is nostalgic, like as in I'm about to hang this. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. You guys, that's my baby picture, and a lot of people say that mommy girl looks like me, and I know that she actually looks like me. We're even preparing for her photo shoot. Her photo shoot is actually going to be tomorrow, and I'm just happy that grandma is here. But yeah, let me soak in all of this love and let's just get to unboxing and everything. Let me take this to and show my husband actually. Oh, okay, it's even like fresh seed. Okay. Ooh. This one, I say Mama Swings. Okay, for Oyi. Okay. There is Uzo. There is Bomsi. Ooh. Unboxing, yeah. This one is fufu for the children. Fresh Port-Harcourt fufu, undefeated. Look at my husband's face. He will say I deceived him. But I know it's a eat fufu. Oh God. You say Kaima is the final version? Eh, I accept like that.
I said our chair will be greater than us.
The two there are four? Oh, okay. Okay. Fish. Okay.
I didn't want to shine so that they don't press. Just take the crack out like that.
Okay. Bring 3.
This is some of the
blocked ones, Abby.
No, I put it. I bought it since I blocked it now.
See, you guys, if you're a Rivers person that is watching me, any of my Rivers subscribers, you guys know that this is ungodo, and we use it for our native soup. This is Isam. Oh, mommy, how much do they now sell per cup in Port-Harcourt?
1.3.
1.3. Which kind of cup now? It's not that small. Then.
Which one is it? Isam?
Isam.
No, Isam is 400.
Isam is 400. Lagos here is 700. Lagos is 700.
Hey, choose.
Woo! You guys, grandma's dry fish, and I'm sure what they call it. She has told me that some of my subscribers have come to patronize her from advertising her dry fish. So please, you guys, keep patronizing my mother. I beg you people. Unboxing continues. At the glow. You guys, I have switched things up for you. I told you guys that you guys are not going to be seeing gloomy boomsy and all of that plenty. I'm stressed, I'm this, I'm that. Grandma is around, and I could see that someone in my comment section was saying that I think grandma is coming. Yes, you are right. I don't know why I'm not putting this camera well. Yes, you are right. You guys, I just got done from work and I need to go and buy gas. I need to go and buy so many things because it's going to be a lot and lot of cooking. You guys saw everything that grandma brought, and you know that cooking before she goes, she has to cook to stock up. Even Kaima's birthday, she wants to make native soup and some other things. But yeah, you guys, I just called someone now to just find out like how much is gas, because I carried gas in my boot, to find out like how much is gas. And the person said gas is for 12 kg gas to fill it up is 13,000 naira. I can't remember, like, you know, I don't know if you can backdate to like a previous video of mine where I was saying, oh, I think that gas has come down. I bought it for about, was it 9,000 or so, 8,000 that period, but now it's like 13,000 naira. It's not easy. But anyways, guys, you guys, glowing Boomsy is glowing. Boomsy needs to head out. The day has ended. Let me just go and, you know, get on to other things. I am here. I slept peacefully. In fact, I've been sleeping peacefully because grandma has taken over Kaima, and you guys know that Kaima still wakes up at night to feed, and it's just so shocking because at 6 months Kaito could sleep all through the night. Like, even if you give this girl Gary to sleep in the night, right? If you give her Gary to sleep in the night and wake her up, like, she will still wake up that at 4 o'clock, 4:30 and cry and want to suck breast or something. But I am trying to wean her off. It is 1 year. I'm trying to wean her off the breast. Let me get my body back, you guys. I think I would actually do like a sit-down video to talk about my experience with IUD and my experience with the implanion and all. But anyways, guys, let me just quickly finish up all I'm doing. I am glowing and I'm happy, and I definitely will see you guys in my next exciting video. You guys should just stay tuned. Bye, guys.